Hello, and welcome to this Project Basics lesson. This one is, what is a project? This can seem like a silly question, but if we can't identify what a project is, it's hard to apply project management skills or get resources or approach it in a way that will help us get through the end of it. Now, there's different ways to define and think about a project, but I tend to use the one that the Project Management Institute, or PMI, uses. A project is a series of structured tasks, activities, and deliverables that are carefully executed to achieve a desired outcome. They are temporary effects to create value through unique products, services, and processes. Again, this is a technical definition. If you go get any of PMI certifications, you'll probably bump into that on an exam. But I find it a great way to think about a project. Now, there's two main parts to that I really take away. The first is they are temporary. Another way to think of this is they are time-bound. A project will have a start and an end time. Even if the project is short, you can look at a clock or a calendar and say it started here and it will end there. They also might be very long. They might be multi-year or decades-long projects to do something. The other part of that is it is unique. It's something new and it brings value to someone. So it's not just the same thing over and over and over. It's a novel thing that helps us achieve something new or go further. Projects are all around us. Stereotypically, we think about projects through the lens of work. For example, building a skyscraper is a project, a start and an end point, and it's something new and brings value. Deploying a new website is a project. It's a new website, it's unique, it gives value, and it has a start and an end date. But we also have projects in our personal lives. Home improvement projects are projects. We'll go to the store and get our supplies, we'll plan them out, and we'll have a start and an end point to adding a new bed in the garden, or putting gutters on the house, or cleaning the windows. We've also run into projects in school. It took me a while to realize this, but school art projects are projects. We're given materials by an instructor, and we have a start and an end time to do the art. So projects are really everywhere. Many times we don't consider things we're doing a project because it doesn't feel official, but they are. It's a temporary endeavor that brings value, whether it's joy in art, clean windows, or a new website or something like that. So that's a project. It's temporary, and it brings something unique that's valuable. Take a moment and think through what projects you have been on. Have you been through one in school or with your friends or at work? And what was that like? And how does that differ from other things you might do at school or with your friends or at work? So comment down below. Please like and subscribe if you liked it. And be on the lookout for more project basics. I'll keep covering more topics in projects and project management for you. All right. Thanks for listening, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon.